Three, two, one. Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel BP Shine. Hope you all are doing well. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So I'm begin with the amazing and new video of Pearly Crystal Bracelets collection. Also includes some handcuffs, some bangles, which is made of pearls. A unique collection of pearls that you never seen before. So let's move to the topic, which is pearl bracelets. Pearl Elegance is a collection of unique pearl crystal type bracelets, handcuffs, and bangle designs that embody timeless sophistication and luxury. The designs include pearl and crystal tennis bracelet, pearl and crystal cuff bracelet, crystal hinged bracelets, pearl chain bracelets, pearl charm bracelets, pearl and crystal link bracelets, pearl and crystal slave bracelets, and pearl and crystal anklets. Today, I'm excited to share the craftsmanship process. So, the first is design conceptualization. Skilled designers create unique designs incorporating pearls and crystals. Material selection include high quality pearls and crystals are carefully selected. By the way, the pearls are fresh. Wire wrapping. Thin wires are shaped to create intricate designs. Settings include crystals are precision set into settings. Stringings include pearls are strung onto threads or chains. Finishing. Bangles and cuffs are shaped and polished. Quality control. Final inspection for quality and precision. As you already know about the benefits, but I also want to share again. It includes a timeless elegance, a versatile styling options, makes a thoughtful gift handcrafted with precision and attention to detail, unique and exclusive designs, perfect for special occasions or everyday wear. Affordable luxury, high quality materials. Okay, let's move to the styling tips. Pair with formal attire for elegant look. Mix with bold outfits for added glamour. Layer with other jewelry for trendy look. Match with statement earrings for red carpet style. Wear with jeans and t-shirts for any casual chic wear. Okay, as you already know that you can wear this amazing jewelry, this amazing delicate bracelets and handcuffs on different occasions, including formal events like weddings and galas, casual gatherings like parties and dates, everyday wear, gift giving like birthdays and anniversaries, holidays like different holidays according to different countries. The price range of these bracelets basically from simple designs like 50 to $200, intricate designs include $200 to $500, and high-end designs including $500 to $1,000. Prices vary according to the design selection and design detailing. The care instructions for this collection include clean with soft cloth and mild soap. Avoid harsh chemical as you already know about this many times. Store separately to prevent scratching. Avoid exposure to extreme temperatures. The Design inspirations include nature inspired designs, geometric patterns, floral motifs, celestial designs, and vintage inspired designs. Additional ideas include a pearl and crystal earrings to match bracelets, pearl and crystal necklaces for layered look, pearl and crystal earrings for added glamour, pearl and crystal anklets for trendy style, pearl and crystal hair accessories for special occasion. I hope you like my video. Stay connected for more amazing content like that and keep watching the whole video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, but keep watching the whole video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.